My name's Deborah and I work for Clarke Metal Services. We're actually a steel trader. We've moved from our previous offices to this one at Crew Hall Farm, and we've been here about 6 weeks. So all in all, the move was quite good, but we've had a lot of jobs that my two directors really haven't got time to do. So I contacted Construction Linx. I spoke to one of the girls in the office who explained the services that Construction Linx do. And that's when we realised that the half-day handyman service was ideal for us. The gentleman that came round was lovely. He was so friendly, just left him to it. So the jobs that he did for us was put TV on the wall that we use for our sales programme. We have, because of the type of business, we have a lot of samples of metal and we have nowhere to display them. So he actually went out and bought us some shelves, installed those, put the pictures on the wall. We were missing a cupboard in the kitchen, and this kitchen's no longer made anymore, so he actually went out and sourced a kitchen door that was very similar to the one we've got and fitted it and did the skirting board, the kickboard, and it was perfect. The customer service was really good. And Gareth has sort of been hand-holding us as well. He's not just booked us and left us, you know, he's been in constant, you know, making sure that we were pleased with everything that they'd done as well. Like I said, with anything that comes up for us again, and personally as well, because I'm moving house, this is something I would definitely recommend and happily give a testimonial about the services and the quality of the workmanship as well.